Welcome, grasshoppers, to this episode of Webb's Quest. Today, the goal is we are in a tournament. We are in a small local fishing tournament. It's put on by a local high school. It's a bass fishing tournament. It's kind of a point system set up. We'll know more when we get to the rules meeting. Right now it's 4:20 in the morning. We're getting ready to meet my partner. We're using his boat. We're gonna see if we can grab some food real quick. Didn't pack a very good lunch, but the quest is to not get last place today. All right, stay tuned, grasshoppers. Bah! Bah! Hey, you guys subscribe to Webb's Quest? All right, good talk. Hey man, do you subscribe to Webb's Quest? You should. All right, good talk. Let's go.
I always wanted to see his reaction. Want me to get closer, or what would you?
Anything?
I imagine so. Jet's always out fishing, but I don't know how much he does. Like actual fishing. There's turtles out there.
Yeah, I see that too. I don't know if this is a fish or weed. I got a fish, dude. Might as well. Oh, it's
A picture for your first fish?
yes, sir. No. I'm gonna save that on the old GoPro though, if it was actually recording. I got the net too. Oh, it's a pike.
That's a big pike.
Two for two on catching fish that.
Oh, it's got the. Or is that just a cut? Oh, it's actually got that disease in it there. See on the skin?
Oh yeah. Oh. Those people. There we go.
That's for the camera here. You gotta get that here. Or what is it?
23.
23 and a half.
Sir. There it is, Mr. Pikey. Mr. No Pointy. Mr. Broke My Line. Four o'clock. 8:45, Jake. 1 hour down and we're sitting in last place. But where we're all tied for first still.
I'm sure. I think adding a swivel is supposed to.
Got one. I think it's a pike. I haven't seen it yet, have you?
Yeah, it's a pike.
Oh, don't snap me.
Getting close.
I just don't want to. Well, apparently the Ned rig is a pike catching machine. Got it out pretty easy too.
Is that one
Ouch!
same size? Bigger?
I'd say maybe it's fatter. It's got all these bruise marks. I'm getting rid of it. It's about to break my finger, you little bastard. I might not like this looping thing. I'm not smart enough to figure it out. Well, third species of the day. Got bullhead, northern pike, and big old perch. Update at Stockade. We are, what do you think, Jake? In last place or first place? How should we look at it?
Oh, we're definitely in first place.
We're in first place right now because there has been 0 fish turned in. So the organizer of the tournament decided to change it so you can turn any fish in. And we've caught 2 pike, 5 or 6 bullheads,
Yeah, something like that.
and a monster perch. So we could almost be winning it. So, all right, so we're changing our game plan a little bit. We're not gonna just try to catch trash fish yet. We're gonna go for pike since they seem to be most active and they're fun to catch. So, all right, stay tuned. 2 hours remaining. Can't get last place. I don't know if I'm caught on something. I got a fish. Yep. Bloop.
Yeah, gotta secure that.
Let's go. All right, phone, paper. What do you think?
It's better than what I
Send it in the bullhead just so we don't get last place. There we go, it's sent. Well, should we see what he says? He said that puts you in 5th.
No way.
I got something, Jake. Just a bullhead.
Well, I mean,
Might. Yes, sir. Another one, Jake.
another one?
Another crappie. Problem is now he's gonna think I sent 2 of the same.
That one's a little bit smaller.
Send it?
Might as well. For the test, I've got that same exact thing, but bigger. I think, because I'll have to look at what you got. But I'm gonna curious if it.
I'm an idiot, Jake.
I don't think that makes a difference in this. But how does it work when you're pond hopping?
You would think.
Ooh. I'd actually send that one in.
I'm going to. Alright. I don't know, I feel awkward. Does it look awkward?
A little bit.
Are you videoing? Okay. Alright, grasshoppers, thanks for watching. Not quite how we wanted it to go as far as catching bass goes, but we're famous. Retiring now. WebQuest out.